Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and financial guru, imparts invaluable wisdom about the importance of preparation and avoiding leverage in the world of investing. With a wealth of experience, he emphasizes the need to safeguard one's position, whether from external forces or personal emotions, and cautions against making impulsive decisions based solely on daily price fluctuations.
You have to be prepared. You can't let somebody else get you in a position where you have to sell out your position. Leverage is what causes people trouble in this world. So you never want to be in a position where somebody can pull the rug out from under you. And you also never want to be emotionally in a position where you pull the rug out from under yourself. You don't want to have other people force you to sell, and you don't want to let your own fears or emotions cause you to sell at the wrong time. Why anybody sells Wells Fargo at $9 a share when they owned it at 25 and the business is better off is one of the strange things about the way markets behave. But people do it, and they get very affected by looking at prices. If they own a farm like I do, 30 miles from here, they don't get a price on it every day. I bought that farm 25 years ago, and you look to the production of corn, you look to the production of soybeans and prices and cost of fertilizer and a few things, and you look to the asset itself to determine whether you made an intelligent investment. You have your expectations about what the asset will produce. But people in stocks tend to look at the price, so they let the price tell them how they should feel, or that's kind of crazy in our view. We think you should look at the business just like you'd look at the apartment house that you bought or the farm you bought. They let the fact that a quote is available every day turn into a liability rather than an asset. And all I would say there is you better go back and read Chapter 8 of The Intelligent Investor, where it tells you how to think about the market, and it will do you more good than learning what modern portfolio theory is all about.
In his timeless advice, Warren Buffett encourages investors to focus on the fundamentals of a business, much like they would with any other tangible asset. He underscores the need to resist the temptation of letting daily stock prices dictate one's emotions or actions. By prioritizing a long-term perspective and sound investment principles, individuals can navigate the markets more wisely and avoid unnecessary pitfalls.